Okay, you guys, how fun is this? If you're looking for a creative way to change up your cheese boards, you should check out this cheese board deck, and here is why. So on the inside, you have 50 idea cards, and the cool thing is that it goes beyond just cheese boards. They're actually categorized, and the way the cards work is on the front, you have your inspiration picture, and let me tell you, there are some beautiful boards throughout this deck. And on the back of the card, you have your ingredients list as well as some tips. And so the different categories are you have your cheese boards as well as your breakfast and brunch. So fun, guys. We also have a lunch and dinner ideas. And then we have, let's see, seasonal and celebration. So like special occasions, I guess. And then we have light and wholesome, so that's like your fruit and your vegetables. And then the last one is holiday and seasons. Oh, there's so many ideas in here. It's so fun. I even like the idea of maybe randomly picking a card for a date night or a girls' night and just creating that board. You can really do a lot with this. The box itself is also very sturdy and good quality, so if you need to keep it out on your kitchen counter, it's kind of cute, it's fun, it's going to hold together for a while. I love this, guys. It's super fun to have around your house. I think you should check it out. It also makes a really great gift, and I do highly recommend the ideas in here.